Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So we got many requests for topic-wise analysis for the papers which was conducted by IIT Bombay in previous year. That's why we are creating this video, and in this video we will try to do analysis for the papers which was conducted by IIT Bombay in 2013, in 2005 and 1999. Okay, so one of the year was 1993, but we did not include this in this video because at that time syllabus might be different. Okay, so that's why we did the analysis of these 3 years, and that analysis is by topic wise. So starting from thermodynamics and extractive metallurgy, and also I have considered the transport processes. So this is the basics of thermodynamics, kinetics, Ellingham diagram, corrosion and oxidation, phase equilibria, basics of phase diagram, equilibrium constant, activity, momentum transfer, heat transfer, mass transfer, and Buckingham pi. So this is all uh, from transport processes, transport phenomena and rate processes, and from here to here this is extractive metallurgy part. I have already uh, told you these things in our previous videos. Okay, so for year 1990, if 99, if we will analysis for IIT Bombay paper. Okay, so in this year they did not ask any question for from basics thermodynamics and kinetics part, but they asked 2 marks question from Ellingham diagram, 6 marks question from corrosion and oxidation, and mostly there was numerical part. Okay, so and that was from corrosion and oxidation. Phase equilibrium, basics of thermodynamics, 2 marks, equilibrium constant and activity, 1 marks, momentum transfer, 1 marks, heat transfer, 2 marks. There were no question from mass transfer, and no question from Buckingham pi also. Okay, and from mineral processing, 6 marks question. There were no question from material balance, extraction route, but they asked 11 marks questions from iron and steel making itself. Okay, so this iron and steel making basically consists of the all the blast furnace route and smelting reduction or DRI processes. Steel making consists all the refining processes such as electric arc furnace and BOF processes also. So in year 2019, the whole 1999, they asked MSQs type of question, that was multiple select question. So in that year, IIT Bombay gave the questions that was multiple select type of questions. So for that questions we need to choose two or more than two options. Okay, so in this year they have included these things for GATE 2021. Okay, so now for year 2005, basics of the thermodynamics and kinetics was asked for 6 marks, Ellingham diagram 1 marks, corrosion and oxidation 1 marks, phase equilibria 5 marks, equilibrium constant and activity 2 marks, momentum transfer 1 marks, heat transfer 2 marks, mass transfer 7 marks. Okay, so however they have included this transport processes in year 2021, but this was already asked in year 2005 also. Okay, so this is not new for metallurgical engineering syllabus, and there are no question from Buckingham pi. Most likely they will ask one question from Buckingham pi in year 2021. Mineral processing 4 marks, material balance there was no question, and extraction route, from extraction route, actually this extraction route consists all the pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy and electrometallurgy route, and also the refining processes which involves in extraction. Okay, so that was of 7 marks in year 2005. For iron and steel making they have asked 5 marks question. In secondary steel making they asked 6 marks question, and some numerical were also asked in secondary steel making just for refining liquid steels. Okay, so in this year they asked the maximum of questions from mass transfer and extraction route. Okay, so this part is very important for this year also, and the secondary steel making is important as well. Okay, so now for year 2013, so this in this 2005 they asked 85 questions. Okay, so that 85 question was of 30 questions for 1 marks, 55 questions, sorry, 50 questions 2 marks, and the 5 questions were of 4 marks type. Okay, so that was the mark analysis for marks analysis for this year 2005. And in 2013 they asked basics thermodynamics and kinetics 4 marks, Illingham diagram 1 marks, corrosion and oxidation 3 marks, phase equilibria 2 marks. There were no question from equilibrium constant and activity. Momentum transfer, there was no question. However, they asked the questions from heat transfer, mass transfer, Buckingham pi, no questions. Mineral processing 5 marks question, there were no question from material balance also. Extraction routes 2 marks question. 3 marks questions were from iron and steel making, and 2 marks from secondary steel making. Okay, so this was all about this thermodynamics and this thermodynamics, that is metallurgical thermodynamics and transport processes and extractive metallurgy and mineral processing. Okay, so this is for year to 1999, 2005 and 2013. Now we will see about the physical metallurgy part and mechanical metallurgy part. So before doing this physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy part, I am concluding this thermodynamics, transport process and extractive metallurgy and mineral processing. So in year 2020-21, it is our prediction that they may ask the questions from this basics of thermodynamics. Okay, so basics of thermodynamics, they may ask questions from Maxwell equations. Maxwell equation is very important topic, so you need to prepare these Maxwell equations. Illingham diagram, Illingham diagram is also important for year 2020, and Paurbach's diagram, this is also known as EHPH diagram. Okay, so in this is a part of corrosion and oxidation. In phase equilibria and basics of phase diagram, they ask the questions, they ask questions from degree of freedom, for the calculation of degree of freedom for the eutectic diagram or eutectoid diagram. Okay, phase diagram. And in momentum transfer, heat transfer, suppose in transport processes, they may ask questions for unit or dimension analysis, unit and dimension analysis. So this is also important for year 2021. And from this topic, that is thermodynamics, transport process and extractive metallurgy only. And Buckingham pi is very important because in past 2 years they asked the questions from this topic. Okay, so Buckingham pi is also important, and material balance type of questions they will ask in GATE 2021. From secondary steel making, they can ask questions from the removal of metals, removal or addition of metals in steel making processes. Okay, and also the degassing processes is important. Degassing processes or slag treatment is also important. Okay, so you need to check these topics for before preparing for GATE 2021. Okay, so these are the important topic from these three sections, that is thermodynamics, metallurgical thermodynamics, transport processes and extractive metallurgy. So now we will see for physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy. So now this is physical metallurgy part, chemical bonding and crystal system, X-ray diffraction. Also I have included other techniques, that is SEM. Also you can include the TEM. Okay, and optical microscopy, phase transformation, heat treatment, is hardening, magnetic materials, semiconductors and electronic materials. These all are physical metallurgy part. I did not include the composite material, polymers and ceramic material because they have removed those things from revised syllabus. And this is all mechanical metallurgy part, that is stress strain. This is basic, you can say this is basically the basics of mechanical metallurgy: slipped and twin system, dislocation theory, fracture toughness, Griffith theory, fatigue and creep. Okay, so this is all physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy part. So for year to year 1999, we will see there were no questions from chemical bonding and crystal system, but they asked 2 marks question from this X-ray diffraction, and that was from this optical microscope. Okay, and phase transformation 7 marks question, and that was pure numerical questions from this phase transformation. And this year also they may ask questions, numerical type of questions from this phase transformation part. In previous video I have analyzed about those phase transformation syllabus, so you can watch that video from our playlist of GATE 2021. Heat treatment, they asked 6 marks question, there were no questions of edge hardening. Magnetic material, there were no questions. Semiconductor and electronic materials, they asked 4 marks questions. And sometimes in semiconductor they ask the questions for calculating the carrier density, charge carrier density in electrons and holes. Okay, for the different semiconductor materials. For stress strain, they asked 1 mark question. Slip system and twin system is very important topic. They will keep asking questions from this topic in upcoming years also. Dislocation theory 8 marks. There were no questions from fracture toughness. 1 marks question was from Griffith theory. So this Griffith theory is also very important, and people do mistakes while choosing the crack length, or they may confuse between choosing the crack length, internal crack length and surface crack length. Fatigue 3 marks questions and 1 mark question from creep. Okay, so this was all about year 1999. Okay, so now for year 2005, you can see that there were 7 marks question from chemical bonding and crystal system itself. Okay, so this crystal system and chemical bonding is very important from for this physical metallurgy part, and this part consists of all planar density, linear density, and crystal systems, all crystal systems, packing efficiency, and everything about the crystal systems. The X-ray diffraction and SEM-TM, they asked 5 marks question for from this topic in year 2005. Phase transformation 1 marks, heat treatment 3 marks, and this heat treatment is actually includes all the surface treatment, surface hardening treatment, and all the heat treatment, normalizing, annealing, and hardening. In edge hardening, I have included this edge hardening in different as a different topic because this is very important topic, and they may ask questions from this topic also in year 2021. Okay, so 1 mark question was asked from this edge hardening. Magnetic material 3 marks, semiconductor and electronic material 4 marks, stress strain 6 marks, slip and twin systems 2 marks. Dislocation theory is very important, and this dislocation theory is very vast topic. So so they will cover most of the part from mechanical metallurgy from this topic only. Okay, so this is they asked 9 marks question from this topic. Fracture toughness 1 marks, Griffith theory 2 marks. There were no questions from fatigue, and 2 marks question from this creep. Okay, so this creep is very important, and they may ask the questions from the graph of the creep, or they may ask the questions from the numerical portion also. Okay, so this is very important. And in fatigue, they ask the questions from SN curve itself and Miner's rule. Okay, so this is very important topic. These all Griffith theory, fatigue, and creep is very important for upcoming years. Now in 2013, there are 6 marks questions from this chemical bonding and crystal system, 2 from X-ray diffraction. Every time you will get 1 question from this Bragg's law or X-ray diffraction part. Phase transformation 1 marks, heat treatment 3 marks, edge hardening 1 marks, magnetic material 2 marks. There were no questions from this semiconductor and electronic materials. However, this they may ask this magnetic material. They may ask 1 question from magnetization for calculation of saturation magnetization in magnetic material topic. Okay, so stress strain was of 4 marks. There were no questions from slip and twin system. Dislocation theory 2 marks, fracture toughness 2 marks, Griffith theory 2 marks, fatigue 1 marks, and there were no questions from creep. Okay, so you can observe that they give the equally importance to every topic. Okay, so they asked 1 or 2 marks question from these all topics. So these all are very important for 2021. Okay, so you can say that in year 2021, what should be your study plan for physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy? You should focus more and more on phase transformation part. Okay, because they have added in this revised syllabus, and in this phase transformation you need to check for the kinetics of the processes. Okay, so growth laws are very important. One is Abrami kinetics. So Abrami kinetics numerical is very important for gate exams. Okay, so Abrami kinetics is very important. The next thing is XRD part. So in XRD they ask the questions from Bragg's law itself. So this is not tough topic. You can do this part easily. And the next thing is they may ask the questions from edge hardening. This is also very important. This is our conclusion for these 2 subjects in year 2021. Okay, or you can say this is the prediction that they may ask the questions from these topics. Okay, so slip system and twin system is very important. Okay, so one numerical they may ask from this topic. Fifth one is you can say that Griffith theory is also very important. Okay, and the sixth one is fatigue. They can ask the questions from SN curves, I have already told you, and from Miner's rules. Okay, so do as much as do the practice as much as you can while doing the metallurgical engineering questions from this fatigue topic and creep also. Okay, so in creep, you this Cobell creep or the creep rate, these all are very important. Okay, so the curve between the creep rate and the time, this is also very important. Or strain, okay, so these all are very important. And the other thing is that they may ask the questions from this magnetic material from saturation magnetization topic. Okay, so saturation magnetization topic is very important. You can do this topic, you can cover this topic from Raghavan book or from Callister book itself. Okay, so this is also very important. And one question from this fracture toughness. So please include these topics in your study plan for preparation of GATE 2021. Okay, so now we will see about manufacturing processes. So the next section is manufacturing section, and in this section I've already told you in previous video that metal casting is one topic and fundamental of manufacturing process. This will include all the fundamental things of manufacturing process and miscellaneous type of questions. And metal forming process that contains rolling, rolling, forging, extrusion, wire drawing, tube drawing, all type of questions in this part. Metal joining that contains the welding and soldering type of questions. Mostly they will ask the questions from welding part. Okay, powder metallurgy, defects in manufacturing, I have considered in different section, a different topic as a different topic, because this is very important for matching type of questions. And in MSQs type of questions they can use this topic, and it is very important. And one new topic I have added here, FFR, that is fuel furnace and refractories. Okay, so this fuel furnace and refractories is also important for this year. They may ask questions from refractories. Okay, so now we will see for 1990 19. Okay, so metal casting processes 1 marks, fundamental of manufacturing process 1 marks, metal forming 3 marks, metal joining 5 marks, powder metallurgy 2 marks. For powder metallurgy they ask the questions for the products of the powder metallurgy, or they may ask the shape of the powder production, or the questions related to the centering. Okay, so in defects in the manufacturing process, they asked the 4 marks question, and that was most probably matching type of questions. There were no questions from NDT topic. FFR they asked 3 marks questions. Okay, so mostly that was a refractory type of problems. In year 2005, they asked 1 marks question from metal casting, and fundamental of manufacturing process or miscellaneous topic they asked 5 marks question, metal forming process 4 marks, and in that 4 marks they asked 2 marks questions from the products of this metal forming processes. Okay, so they asked the product of rolling, forging, extrusion, what we produce by those metal forming processes. 4 marks from metal joining, 3 marks from this powder metallurgy, and in this 3 marks they asked 2 marks numerical for neck size. In previous video I have told you about this neck size also. Okay, so from defects of in manufacturing process they asked 2 marks questions. There were no questions from NDT part. 2 marks question was from FFR, that is fuel furnace and refractories. Now in 2013, 1 marks question were from metal casting, fundamental manufacturing process. There were no questions. Metal forming process 2 marks question, metal joining 2 marks question, and that was numerical type of questions. In I have already told you about the welding numerical, so you can watch that video in our playlist of manufacturing processes. Powder metallurgy 4 marks, and in that 4 marks they asked 2 marks questions for shape of powder produced. Okay, so whether that was spherical or flaky. Okay, so that was asked in this year 2013. Defects in manufacturing 2 marks, NDT 2 marks, and FFR 1 marks. Okay, so so you can see that in manufacturing processes these all topics are very important. Okay, so for year 2021 what we should focus in this manufacturing part, we should focus on the all the metal casting fundamental. Okay, so metal casting fundamental is very important, that how we produce, what are the type of pattern, what are the type of gating system, and all the gating system, and what the gating system includes. Okay, so that all comes under the metal casting. And fundamentals of manufacturing process means how we can classify the all the metal forming processes upon on which things we can classify. So fundamental of manufacturing is very important topic. Okay, And metal forming process, in metal forming process we can see the rolling, and in that rolling they ask the questions from maximum possible reduction. Okay, so this is very important topic. For the calculation of maximum possible reduction, they ask 1 or 2 marks question from this topic every year. So in this 2021 they may ask the question from this topic also. Okay, the next thing is the powder metallurgy. In powder metallurgy, what we need to do, we need to do only the shape of powder. The classification of this powder metallurgy means you may understand the flow sheet of powder metallurgy, how we produce the product from by the powder metallurgy route. Okay, and also what are the products we produce by this powder metallurgy route. Okay, so this is also very important. And defect of whole manufacturing process is very important. So I will suggest you go through our Instagram post for finding these defects list. Okay, we have uploaded the defect list in separate for the separate farming processes and for casting process also, and for welding process also. So you may find those things in our Instagram page. And for NDT is very important topic. Okay, so for NDT you can classify these NDT according to the surface crack or the internal crack. Okay, so this is very important, which entity is used for surface crack and which is used for internal. Okay, then all the other type of classifications, like which is used for ferromagnetic material, which is used for electrical conductivity, and many other things, on many other criteria, which entity follows. Okay, so FFR is very important, and in this FFR they may ask the questions from fuel burning. Okay, so fuel burning is very important, and they may ask the mass balance type of questions, or they can ask the questions for calculation of oxygen. Okay, so this is also very important. So in manufacturing part you can do these all things, and in metal casting I forget one thing. You can see the Chavanov rules. Okay, so Chavanov rules is very important for calculating the solidification time. So you can find this topic in anywhere in solidification. Okay, so this topic is very important for numerical portion. So this was all about the manufacturing process for year 1999, 2005 and 2013, which was conducted by IIT Bombay. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood everything about this topic wise analysis of gate metallurgy, which was conducted by IIT Bombay. And we will try to give more videos on these gate 2021 video series. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.